Hi friends, Allie from Allie Scraps here, and I wanted to show a really cool printable from my friend Bridget from Scribbles on My Heart. And so this is actually customizable in her Etsy shop. So each set comes with these two pages. So the feathers with the tabs and the flowers, and it's just beautiful. And then this one with different words and verses, which I think is great. And then another one that you can customize for your word of the year, or one little word and your name. And this is just one of the most adorable sets ever, and I love it. And I want to do several projects with this. A couple in my Bible, a couple with some coordinating prayer request cards that I designed. So these are the pocket prayers, and they match different colors from this kit. Just for some bright pops of colors and that kind of thing. So as I normally do, I am going to do a ringed book, and then I'm also going to do a couple different Bible journaling pages. So I thought I would bring you along for both of those. So for this particular video, I'm going to use the coordinating pocket prayers set that I designed that matched the kit, and I'm going to actually do a couple different sheets of these cards and make a little bit of a thicker book, and just kind of include my prayers for the year. Like you may have noticed, my word of the year is cultivate, and I've got several different things that I want to do with this word in particular, and I thought I should at least pray about it. So I'm going to cut out each of these bits and put them on each one of the prayer cards, and then kind of have a specific prayer on the idea of cultivating for the year, and a different prayer for especially each month, because there's 12 cards, 12 prayers, and I'm sure there's going to be more than 12 prayers throughout the year on cultivate, but I thought that would be a good start. So I'm going to cut these out, and then I will come back and speed this up and show you kind of how I'm putting it all together. So I've cut out a bunch of the smaller pieces, especially this little cultivate words, some with the the flowers and stuff, and so I'm just going to paste them on with my tape runner onto some of the prayer request cards. And then I did also cut out a couple pieces of pattern paper. It's just a gray, so it matches really nicely with these colors, and doesn't really pull from anything, and it has a really pretty floral like some of these flowers. So not an exact match, but I thought something different would be nice. And that comes from a really old paper pad from 7 Paper and Studio Calico. It's the Amelia line, and this is one of my favorites. I definitely hoard these bits, so I thought it'd be a good use of one of my favorite papers. So I did round the corners on the prayer request cards with just a large corner rounder, and this one is from Hobby Lobby, and I love these things. I live and die by my corner rounder. So I'm going to put you on fast forward while I round these corners, and then show you how I kind of put some of this together. And that's the finished book. If you'd like to see more like this, please hit that like button as well as subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions about what I use, leave those in the comments below, but I've also linked everything that I've used in the description box below. I can't wait to show you more using this kit. I love this kit, and so be sure to check that out.